Alright, g'day. How you going? It is Mark Barrett here. First up, on behalf of my partner James, I'd like to say a massive thank you for stopping by and checking out MethodX today. Look, I know you're busy. I'm sure you got a ton of emails about this offer, so let's just dive in and tell you what it's about, okay? So, in case you aren't aware, James and myself are essentially super affiliates. Okay, we do very well for ourselves with affiliate marketing, and naturally, we launch products and teach people what we do now as well. Okay, so those of you that know us would have seen our track record for the last few months. We've been doing very well, and we've helped a lot of people make a lot of money and start building their careers, which is great, right? But as such, once you start getting popular as a vendor, you tend to get a lot of people on the outside, start to want to show you methods and products that, they think is going to be pretty good. And that generally happens on a daily basis, okay? And a lot of them we knock back because they're just not up to standards for what we want to launch, okay? But introducing Will Weatherly, okay? So Will, not unlike any other person, come to us and said, guys, I love what you've been doing. I love what you're teaching people. He goes, but truthfully, I've been working on something that I feel will make your results 10 times better, faster, and easier, okay? And me and James are a little bit like, we're doing pretty well for ourselves. We average about $1,000 a day, which, full transparency, we'll show you that in a minute. And, we thought, I don't know whether it could be better, but you know what? We said, look, maybe we're being a little bit arrogant. Let's at least have a look at the training, okay? So James and I both dove through the very simple training that Will has put together here, very detail orientated, a few videos, bang, bang, showed us exactly what to do, okay? And we were excited by it, to say the least. We're like, okay, well, here's the proof of what he's been doing, and we could see it. Here's how it's done. It seems easy enough, very simple to set up. Let's give it a crack, okay? So we basically set it up and away it went. Day one, it started working right out of the gate, okay? So here's a look at what James did with MethodX.
So I'm just doing a quick run through of the results that I got testing the MethodX method. So as you can see here, I've done a tracking code on the MethodX, and that since Will approached us a couple of weeks ago, I was able to get this going probably in the last few days. And I've actually been able to generate in 2 days, so this is 2 days and the 27th's not over yet. I've been able to generate $684.89 in commissions. So it does sit around about the $340 mark per day on average. And as Will said in the training, you are looking at around about 2.3% conversion rate. So it's been a pretty good result overall. I mean, pretty happy with it, and that you'll be able to start generating this pretty quickly. So it didn't take long to set up. Once I was able to go through Will's training, it was pretty clear, concise, and I was actually pretty happy with the results using the MethodX training. So on top of that, I was able to generate some other really good some traffic as well that converted on other offers. And I'm just going to go back really quickly and show you some of the other offers that I've been doing. Now, not all of it is MethodX traffic, just for full disclosure, but I was able to do 25 sales today on Pockets, Unfair Advantage app. I was able to do 9 sales today, and you'll be able to do that. So just in the last 2 days, with some of that additional traffic coming through, and that's coming through onto my email list, I was able to, really start generating some other commissions. So I'm just saying, not all of it is from MethodX, but there's a good amount of traffic here where I have been able to tag a lot of that in there. So especially with Phoenix. So guys, it's definitely worthwhile jumping on. 2.3 conversion rate off this method, and definitely a profitable strategy going forward. So thanks very much.
All right, cheers, James. Now, as you can see, guys, after James gave that a test out, I was like, man, I have to have a go at this as well, because after all, 340 US, in a day is nothing to sneeze about. I'm in Australia, so that's about 500 Aussie per day. Seriously, being that it only takes 30 minutes to set up, and that's what I literally dove in and done as well. Why wouldn't you? At the end of the day, why wouldn't you? So, guys, here's an indication of how much money we're making. Okay. when we start getting passive systems like this set up, right? So let me get this angle right for you. Okay, so there you can see today $1,420, yesterday $1,000, in the last 7 days 10,000. Okay, that's all in US dollars. So today's more like $2,000, you know, 14, 1,500, whatever that is, 15, 17 grand. Okay, so the point is, right, when you start getting systems like this in your life, it starts making numbers like this possible. Now, full transparency, that $1,400 today is not all MethodX, okay? But 470 US dollars of it is from MethodX today. Now, that goes to show, guys, like $470 to me is a very serious amount of money. Like I said, that's US dollars, okay? So converted to Aussie, it's whatever, it's $600-700 a week. You know, a lot of people I know are working all week for that type of money. Now, truth be told, here's the real truth about this. Today, besides sitting down to record this video for you, I have not touched the computer, okay? I have not worked at all. We've just found out we've got number 4 in the oven. So we've been out for a major scan this morning with the missus, scanning for the baby, checking all that stuff out. And the business has been running numbers like that, like clockwork in the background, okay? And truthfully, guys, that's what we want for you too, okay? I understand it, especially when you get started, it's hard to comprehend numbers like that, you know, but 6 months ago, James and I were nowhere near in this business. I was in a job after losing everything, as a lot of you would know if you purchased Phoenix. James has literally just started 6 months ago, and he's making more money than what I am per day. So truth of the matter is, combine simple affiliate marketing systems like this with the power of the internet. It's like having a shop open 24/7 around the clock. You start seeing numbers like that regularly and quite often without having to do anything. Look, truthfully, it can make you a little bit lazy too. It's Friday here. I'm not doing a lot today, but you know what? First world problems. You get to enjoy those problems, okay? So, guys, that's what we want for you. Look, MethodX was created by Will. It's bloody fantastic training. You'll see from some testimonials below from some of the biggest people in the industry that this is one of the best trainings they've seen in a long time. And it's because it's new. It's never before seen, okay? It's something completely different, but yet it's bloody excellent in the fact that it just works. It's stupid simple. If you're sitting here watching this video, you have the skills to do this, okay? But it's so straightforward. The training is direct, do this, do that, and away you go. You'll be off to the race, okay? 30 minutes set up, and it's not unusual to see results same day, okay? And, you know, that's what we truly love about this and why we wanted to get it out to you so that you too can enjoy days like that, okay? So, stupid money, you know, but to me, that's the holy grail and the absolute freedom that I get to enjoy with my business here, okay? So, guys, if you find yourself being looking for a method that, look, straight to the point, excuse my Aussie, but just bloody works, okay? You want something that you can turn on, let it run, and it's going to do its thing and at least bring you an on average $200 to $500 per day. That's serious money, guys, especially when you're used to working a day job, okay? If you've been frustrated with other methods before and you've been struggling, this is for you. Look, even if you're successful and you want to add more money to your business, like me, this is for you as well, okay? It's simple enough that anyone can do it, yet it's advanced and powerful enough that it will increase results for anybody that uses it, okay? So it's absolutely fantastic product, and I'm so happy that Will brought it to us and we got the opportunity to show you as well, okay? Now, guys, as you know, with us, we carry a 30-day money back guarantee, okay? So if you put this into action and for whatever reason it doesn't work for you, okay, by all means, jump out and help, ask for help if you need it, if you're that type of person. But look, even if you still can't get it to work, we'll happily refund you, okay? If you are not making money, we're not interested in charging you a cent for this, okay? We're all about openness and transparency, showing you real numbers, real proof, you know. We're not here to bullshit you. We're here to teach you how to change your life like we've been lucky enough to do as well, okay? So, guys, if that sounds like you want an easy method that's new, not rehashed, something you can start right now, and I invite you to hit the buy now button below, jump in, and we'll see you on the inside. Cheers.